Life is what you make of it, or so I hear them say. It's not what was or might have been, it's what we do today. Today I'll clean a coastline rife with plastic on its shore. Each piece removed could save a life. Tomorrow I'll save more. Today I'll work with volunteers who'll end the day inspired to spend their hours, weeks or years doing things to be admired. Most jobs might seem a daily chore, a means to make a living. Yet green jobs offer so much more. It's work that keeps on giving. New to Nature gave to me new hope when I felt worthless. New skills, new friends, new energy, the thrill of newfound purpose. I've met amazing people who are proud of what they do, and with their help I'm learning to be proud of myself too. Nature bonds communities. It lends strength to our voices. It helps us all to feel at ease and make the better choices. This year has opened up my eyes. I'm more aware than ever how nature soothes and shapes our lives and what can be achieved together.